Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu or idle fish app. In today's video, I will show you on how to place your first order on your Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo or idle fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund a Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and make sure we open up our Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to go ahead now and open up the app. After you open up the app, next thing you want to do is to search for the product from different seller right here. However, there are so many ways by which you can use to search for product on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. One of the first ways is to come to the top right here. Just type the name of the product you are looking for and you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, click on this camera icon which allows you to upload product picture sample. Once you upload product picture sample, you are going to see a similar result instantly. Then from there, you can select any supplier you want to buy from. However, I have a particular product here and I want to use as an example to show you how you place your first order, complete full tutorial. So let's go. So when you are getting the right seller, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you message them. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my message box right here. So I have already chat with the seller right here. So I will just go ahead and open up our chat. Then from there, I will proceed to place the order. Like for instance, I'm going to use this particular seller right here, and this is how to place your order on Xianyu. So you can see my chat with the seller right here, just like what you see right here. So you can see my chat with them. Now I'm going to go ahead now and place order for this particular seller. So for that, what we want to do is to go ahead and make sure we click on here. And this is going to pump up right here. Now here, I need just brown color of 39 size. Next thing I'm going to do is to add quantity. I need just one. So once I'm done with all my all my quantity and the size, next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So just like so, right here, so the total amount I'm paying for this is 16.98 yuan, just like what you see right here. Okay. So next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on confirm purchase right here. So here we go. Next thing I'm going to do, so you can see I'm making payment with my Alipay and I'm paying the sum of 16.98 yuan. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I click on here to proceed. So I'm going to go ahead now and click on here to make my payment. Then enter my payment password. Just like what you see right here, payment done successful. So next thing I'm going to do is to make a screenshot of this part right here. Having made a screenshot, then I will go ahead and click on here to go back. Click on here to close this pump up, then go back. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to check my profile. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and make sure we click on here to see the goods we just paid for. Just like so, you can see it right here. It's that simple. So finally, I will go ahead and send proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them on Xianyu app. So I'm going to exit from here now. Then I'll go ahead and open up my WhatsApp right here. So this is the person that asked me to pay for them. You can see my chat with them right here. And this is the product picture, just like what you see right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on here, quote, and say payments made successful. Okay, then I'll click on here, upload the proof of payment. Here's the proof of payment and send. just like what you see right here. It's that simple. So you can see my chart with this person right here that asked me to buy this particular goods and make payment for them on Xianyu. If this is exactly what you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, Idlefish, or Xianyu Chinese shopping app, or DHgate shopping app, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.